Concept 2, finding surface area of a sphere. So the surface area of a sphere has a formula similar to the volume of a sphere. And this is part of the reason why it's sometimes hard to remember the formula for surface area and the formula for the volume. Okay? Remember, the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. The surface area is just 4 times pi r squared. Okay? So what helps me when I'm thinking about this is for volume, if you compare it to like a cylinder. Okay, a cylinder is going to kind of have straight sides going all the way up, right? Okay, this extra area, all right, that's kind of where our thirds comes in. All right, it takes away some of it. And then for our surface area, we're just talking about kind of the outer layer, and we're looking at squaring that area. Okay, so that kind of helps me, but mostly this is just a memorization. Okay, you need to memorize and get in your notes really well the volume and surface area formulas. Okay, let's try one. Let's try one with our 9 centimeter radius sphere. Okay, so we've got our formula. If I am going to plug it in, bring my 4 pi down, has a radius of 9 squared. 9 times 9 is 81. And I'm going to move things around, so I have 4 times 81 pi. I can use my calculator. It's fine. And 4 times 81, 324. So it's going to be equal to 324 pi. Or if I was calculating it to the nearest tenth, 3.14, 1017.4. 1017.4. Okay, and that's it.